What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the hottest and the newest DJ plays in the crypto space. My name is Joven, and I got a banger for you guys in this one like I always do. But before we get into the video, I just got to let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space. It is a very risky and very volatile asset class. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. These videos are all entertainment, guys. Now, as you guys can see, I got my channel on screen, Meme Coin Daily, 470 subscribers. Let's get to 500 subscribers. I'd really appreciate it. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let me know what project I should check out next in the comment section. And now let's head right over to Dex Tools to check out that banger I was talking about, guys. Let's go through the top 10 trending peers. Number 1, we have Musk. Number 2, Bone. Number 3, Saitama. Number 4, The. Number 5, Shinshu, the project we're going to be checking out in this video. Number 6, DC. Number 7, Shido. Number 8, Vetme. Number 9, Kitsune. And number 10, called Shinshu Inu. As you guys can see from the chart, guys, it has been a stairway to heaven. You know what I'm saying? If you got in on the first or the second, you know what I'm saying, you'd be up around how much percent? Let's see, around 592% already. And a lot of people have been talking about this project on crypto Twitter. Anytime there's a lot of noise on crypto Twitter for a project, I gotta check it out on the channel, you know what I'm saying? As far as the Uniswap info for Shinshu goes, we got 125k in liquidity, 489k in 24-hour trade volume, 793 holders, working its way up to 1k holders. Last time I saw a tweet from Chiro Crypto when it was at 500 holders, so the holders are steadily growing, and it's at 978k market cap. Now this is the thing, guys, that is a great market cap for entry. You see it's on a little bit of a retrace right now, could keep dipping further, so you got to be careful it continues to dip further, you know what I'm saying? Remember, never invest more than you're willing to lose, but whatever you're investing, I would DCA in if it does continue to dip further, you know what I'm saying? But 978k market cap, got a lot of upside potential ahead, because every million market cap you get an X, you know what I'm saying? You get another X, so it goes to 10 million market cap. That's 10x from here, which would be pretty nice. I always love 10x gains. Remember, smartest thing to do, get your initial out at a 2x 3x, you know what I'm saying? Let the rest ride, see how far the project goes. Now this project is pretty new. It did come out on the 1st, so there's no telling what could happen. I see they're already listed on CoinGecko. I don't think they have CoinMarketCap listing just yet. But let's check out the website, see what we got for the project. Shinshu Inu, little meme, big dream. Shinshu Inu is a community-focused, decentralized cryptocurrency with instant rewards thanks to its active users. So our missions: in every transaction, 1% goes to liquidity and 4% will be allocated to marketing and development wallet. Join our community and let the fun and learning begin. Learn more about Shinshu token. Shinshu Inu aims to become the leader in P2P mobile payments, okay, person-to-person mobile payments within the crypto space. Shinshu Inu offers a seamless way to send payments to friends, family via a mobile app. Forms of payments will be vetted tokens within the Shinshu Inu ecosystem. Okay, so their goal is to deliver a different type of utility to the crypto space, which is nice to see. You gotta love innovation, guys. Tokenomics, 4% marketing, development wallet, and 1% towards the liquidity. So a 5% tax on every buy and sell, majority of that going to the marketing and the development wallet, so they could deliver on the utility they're aiming towards. Okay, it's not bad at all. And they have the roadmap right here. So Q4 2022, they first plan to have the UI design mockup, meaning you get to see the user interface of their P2P payment system. Partner with influencers, launch Launchpad, okay. Q1 2023, a bridge to BSC, nice. Organic DEX trending, staking LP farming, okay, that's pretty good. Twitter campaign, minimal viable product, meaning you have access to probably the beta of the utility that they're developing. Onboard mobile app developers, partnerships with tokens, Shiba Swap, FegX, YouTube influencer campaign, right here to help. Massive Twitter campaign, legally register business, partnership with big tech company, Partnership with big tech company. Okay. Good goals ahead for the project. I like to see that. Development of DeFi app. Raise venture capital funding and an L-Bank listing. Okay. XT. Acquire headquarters. Tap into global markets. Reevaluation and then to be announced. So they have their roadmap all the way scheduled for the next year going into 2024. Pretty nice to see. Have how to buy on Uniswap, and then their copyrights at the bottom. Pretty straightforward, simple website. At the top we have the Telegram and the Twitter. Let's hop right over to the official Twitter, see what we got. So yeah, still pretty new for this one. Welcome to Shinshu Inu, one of the less known types of Shiba Inus. I'm almost forgotten by history. The Shinshu. Learn something new every day, guys. 431 followers. A few followers that I also follow, like Crypto Skull, Adam Shelton, Crypto Matt, Will Jennings, already following. Okay, I have a tweet right here from the official Shinshu Army. We have listed on CoinGecko. So I guess they're working on CoinMarketCap next. 83 likes, 35 retweets. That's pretty good. We are trending on Dex Tools. Number 5, Shinshu Army is unstoppable. Like I said, I saw a lot of people talking about this project on crypto Twitter. And I decided, you know what, let me check it out, see what it's all about. Johnny Reed putting out a tweet about the project. Very respected person in the space. Just woke up to see Shinshu absolutely ripping and his mind is blown. But yeah, I love to see the engagement. Social engagement definitely pretty good. 66 likes, 20 retweets. Shinshu Army looking like they're very strong. Let's check out hashtag Shinshu. See what we got. 400 tweets today. Okay. Spaceman 008. It's not dog season until Doge and Sheeb run hard. Hopefully soon. With that said, when it happens, I expect Shinshu, and Sani to lead the pack. Now, these are the 3 dog tokens a lot of people have been talking about on crypto Twitter that have the most chances for the most X's coming up to the new Doge, Sheeb, dog meme coin season. Remember, last bull run, when Doge ran, Sheeb ran, Akita, Feg, Kishu, Hawk, bunch of other dog coins as well, you know what I'm saying? So keep an eye out on Shinshu, and Sani. Tweet from Aaron Sniper. Good morning, another day, another Shinshu all-time high. Haven't been this bullish on a brand new community in a long time. Send this dog to 5 mil with haste, and it's chilling at 1 mil right now. That'd be a 5x from here. More than enough chances for you to get your initial, you know what I'm saying, and watch the moon bag go crazy. We already have people tagging their names with the Shinshu brand. Shinshu Lover 99, currently holding 500 plus in Shinshu. I remember buying $800 in the safe moon at 11 to 12 million market cap and held it until 4 billion. But this time, this will be my retirement. I feel it. Great at 26 years old. Hey, you got in safe moon at 11 mil and you held until 4 bill, and now you're taking that chance on Shinshu. Who knows what could happen in the future, guys? This is crypto. It is unpredictable. You never know what could happen. A lot of people count projects out and then they go on to do crazy numbers beyond people's wildest dreams. You know what I'm saying? So we'll see what happens with Shinshu, guys. Crypto Messiah also talking about Shinshu, guys. Someone saw this yesterday and got rich. Hashtag Shinshu. So he put a tweet out on the 2nd when Shinshu was only at 45k in liquidity. Whoever ate Shinshu at that point in time definitely up some bags right now, you know what I'm saying? And another tweet from Jamie Kingston, 21k followers, another respected name in the space. When you see me tweeting a coin repeatedly, just know it's going to millions. Hashtag Shinshu, no cap. 104 likes, 24 retweets, guys. A lot of likes, a lot of retweets. The community looks very strong. It is still very early, you know what I'm saying? But as long as they could keep this pace up, as long as the team could develop and deliver on their utilities that they have on that roadmap, the future for the project could be bright. Last thing we're going to check out is the Telegram group. 1,100 members in the Shinshu Telegram, and from what I can see, community is very active, community is very engaged. What takes a project to those, you know, huge levels of success is the community. As long as the community is strong, community keeps pushing the project forward. There's no telling what could happen. I say it time and time again. 100 mil is imminent. let's get it, Shinshu. So yeah, guys, from what I could see so far from Shinshu, like what I see, guys, I wish nothing but success for the project. If you hold Shinshu, let me know your thoughts of the project down in the comment section. And if this is your first time hearing about the project, let me know your thoughts as well. Let's have a discussion in the comment section about this project, guys. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Shinshu and myself will be down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.